Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to perform hard reset for your Earbuds SOUNDCORE P40i. To perform a hard reset, put your earbuds at the charging case, and after that, at the back side of the case we have connectional button. You need to press and hold it for at least 10 seconds. So let's make it, and now we need to wait until this light flashed 3 times rapidly. Firstly it entered to pairing mode, and then we will have it. And here we go. Now you can release your finger, and firstly we need to remove these earbuds from the device list. So click the information icon or settings icon, forget this device, and forget device. If you have Android, click pair new device, and after a factory reset, this earbuds enter to pairing mode automatically. So we should see it at the device list, and we can see it, just tap on it, and we connect it. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later.